I need help figuring out what is wrong with my GE induction range with a FA63 code.
Hello from JA, my name is Woody. I will be glad to assist you today. I have been servicing all major brands of appliances for 35 years, and have over 100,000 in-home repairs and over 80,000 internet repairs under my belt. And the issue is with all burners not working? Are you there? I'm logging off at 5 p.m. estate.
Nothing works, just have a FA63 code.
Okay, the error code of FA63 and not the main control board error. It is an induction cooktop filter board error. GE says for that error code to A, check power connections on filter board. B, L1 or L2 from line is faulty. C, replace cooktop filter board. So test the voltage to the filter board under the cooktop if you do have 240 from L1 to L2. Then you need to replace the filter control board. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee, even on installed electrical parts, for an entire year. They are the only company to allow returns on installed parts for a refund and offer a full 1-year warranty. http://www.repairclinic.com/part details/circuit board timer WB27/1174/1810683 Ricade equals 1000070. Item number 5 is the filter board. http://www.partenvantage.com/diagram/4/0013630/1441828/211426. If you have any questions, just reply back. So the board you replaced, there was nothing wrong with it?
I tested the lines and they are good. Took the top apart and there is what looks like a burnt relay on the filter board. I ordered a new board. Do you think the other board I replaced is still good? I can return the new one. Also, some of the white stuff on top of one of the burners is coming off. Is that a big problem? Thanks, John.
I do not think the first part you put in was bad. Returning it depends upon whom you purchased it from. And the white stuff is just insulation, the burner should be fine. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me WHRLP MasterTech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me, I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me is the only way I get paid for my time. You should see a box to click on to be able to rate me. Let me know if you do not.
Woody helped me diagnose the problem with my GE PHB 925 SP1SS. It was a filter board. Problem is, it took almost 2 months to get a replacement board. I have now forgotten where the plugs go to on the tiny circuit board that sits on top of the burners. There is a 2-wire plug and 2 4-wire plugs and a couple of choices for each on the board. Would you know where they go?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.